One record you would like to have at the end of your career.
Easy, most number of World Cups then, hopefully.
The person you text the most about cricket.
What? I don't text much to people about cricket, but if at all someone, it has to be my coach Anand, probably discussing practice timing, discussing something about batting or sharing videos of batting. Probably, yeah, it's Anand.
A knock of yours you'd like to go back and redo.
So many. I've got out on 70s and 80s so many times. I wish I could go back and score all those into a century, a century.
A nickname you've been given by your teammates.
Like, I think in recent times, people used to call me Madu because I'm a Marwadi. So they called me Madu, few people. But yeah, in recent past, I don't remember. They call me Smriti only mostly.
What's the best and worst part about being a younger sibling?
I think best part is that you always get that advantage of being the smallest in the house, and then you get what you ask for. So you're like a spoiled kid, and even your brother supports you and like fights for you, like my brother. And I think disadvantages because you get compared always with your brother. Like growing up, most of the time my dad used to be like, "Look at him, the way he bats. Look at him, the way he does this," and all of those things. So I think that's one disadvantage, but I'll take it. There are many more advantages than disadvantages.
Who's the messiest roommate in the Indian side?
I cannot say anyone because it's me. And if I say anyone's name, people are gonna get back at me. But I think me and Herman do have a competition, but we both have gotten better. So like we both have actually even spoken about it that we need to like keep our rooms clean, like not so messy also.
Who gets beaten more on the PlayStation, you or Harmanpreet?
She's gonna kill me, but we have not actually played FIFA for a long time because actually for a very long time. But I think between both of us, 50-50, I would say. I don't want to create any controversies, because we both were pretty good.
Whom in the Indian side would you not sit next to on a long flight?
I can sit next to anyone because I end up sleeping the whole flight, like the whole time I'll sleep. So it doesn't really bother to me who's sitting right next to me because if even we go to West Indies and it's like a 30-hour flight, I'm capable of sleeping 24, 25 hours. And no one will really wake me up. Not even Jemmy will wake me up and talk. So that's a good thing.
If your teammates were to visit you at home, where and what would you take them out to eat?
Home, of course, SM18 Cafe. I'll take them there because, of course, I'll like to make them try things which we get at our cafe.
What music are you listening to right now, and who's your favorite music composer?
What? This is a question which you've ke put. I've been hearing this Jashn-e-Bahara from Jodha Akbar. I don't know why I started hearing. And there are 2-3, I think, Punjabi songs which I'm hearing. And music composer, I really love Pritam's work. He's always given a lot of songs which are very relatable and that kind of connects. So it's probably Pritam.
One habit you'd like to change in yourself?
So many I have. Probably not forgetting stuff or and not being messy. I think my mom will be the happiest if I don't be messy and be a good person or also even like texting people back at time. I'm very bad at replying people at time. You should know it better. I kind of made you wait for this interview for like 6-7 days because I missed your text.
Who has the better social media game, you or Jemima?
Yeah, question है क्या ये? It's also of course Jemmy यार. I don't even give a thought about it. Like I don't have to give a thought also. Like I don't have to think about it because I think she does a lot of creative stuff, which I think she has a lot of time to do that probably.
If you could live one day as another cricketer, male or female, who would it be?
I'm happy being Smriti Mandana, and I like to be Smriti Mandana only. Probably get better as a player. Being Smriti Mandana, that is something I look forward to rather than being some other player.
Heather Knight said she'd pick you as a partner in a cricket quiz. Whom would you pick?
Cricket quiz. I think I'll pick Shika Pandey. She has a lot of knowledge. Probably I'll end up winning the whichever quiz if Shika is with me.
One player from the opposition you'd like to have in your team?
Probably I'll like Heather said my name, so she thinks I'm smart. So probably I'll give, take her name back. Heather Knight probably.
Who takes the most selfies in the Indian dressing room and who takes the best ones?
Probably Tanya, Jemmy, both are very like they. I think they take a lot of selfies.
A reality TV show you can see yourself in.
I think I would love to go in that Minute to Win It. Have you seen it? I
Yeah.
don't know if you have seen it. Yeah, and does it work as a reality TV show? I've loved watching that as a kid, Minute to Win It.
One thing a teammate thinks they're really good at, but in reality, they are not.
So I feel Juludi feels she's a great dancer. Like I don't know, I am a bad judge because I am a bad dancer. But still, she feels she's a good dancer, decent dancer. But in reality, she's not that great. Sorry, Juludi, please don't kill me.
If you could borrow one batting shot from another cricketer, what would it be?
I think if I could lock as good as Divine or like the way she hits, probably I wouldn't say one particular shot, but I think the way she hits, I think that's something there's something crazy. So probably Divine. And if talking about one particular shot, then I think Matthew Hayden is to walk down and just hit over mid on and mid off to pace bowlers. That was something I used to love watching that.
World Cup memory you'd like to forget?
I don't think I want to forget anything because whatever had happened, I think has taught me a lot, and we have had very big and good moments.
You said you're a good cook. What's the best and worst cooking advice you've ever received?
Probably something my mom would have said, some advice. Probably, I think watching mom cook is the best learning. So that is, I will take it as advice, just watching her, the way she cooks.
Never eat bhel puri again or never get another Instagram follower again?
People follow you, unfollow you is in their hands. I cannot force people to follow me or unfollow me, right? So me choosing that doesn't make sense. I want to have bhel puri. So
One cricketer that left you starstruck?
I think Dhoni sir. When I met him, matlab, I always have been a follower of him, but yeah, when I met him, I just felt that his aura and that's something different. So probably him. And and of course, like when the first interaction with Juludi Mituri also, I was like, okay, wow, these are legends, and I'm actually not even interaction. I think just in the same room when we had a team meeting, and I was like a 16-year-old, and I was like, oh wow.
What advice would you have for 11-year-old Smriti Mandhana?
Be the way you are. Do the mistakes, whatever mistakes you've done. Do the good things, whatever good things you've done. Because somewhere or the other, it will help you when you're a 24-year-old person.
What advice would you have for young girls who look up to you and want to be like you someday?
For me, what has worked is just giving my heart out and trying to enjoy each and every moment what cricket offers. Successes, failures, uh, hard work, like sometimes not feeling to work. I think you should take in account every emotion is what is attached with cricket. So and you should enjoy that moment is if that moment is enjoyed, it kind of shows reflects in your performances when you're on the 22 yard.